Watch GT2 is the second generation of outdoor smartwatch category. Following the packaging of the previous generation, the 46mm models are in black box, engraving the iconic chronograph design on top. Opening it, you will have the watch right in front of you. And this is a 46mm classic edition with brown leather strap. You can pull in the small tag on the right, then you will have all the accessory. And this model comes with a secondary sport strap. I will use it later. Further inside, you will have the charging cable, and the magnetic cradle. The 42mm models are in white box, also with the iconic design on top. And this is a sport model with black sport strap. Very soft and comfortable to wear. The Watch GT2 46mm and 42mm, following the industry standard lug width of 22mm and 20mm, by which you could buy any strap you like from traditional watch market to customize the timepiece for you and your loved ones. Like smartphone, Huawei is becoming a major leader in smart wearable market. As the world's first Bluetooth 5.1 and BLE 5.1 wearable SoC chip, Kirin A1 is born to fit in tiny product form factor like smart wearables. With highly integrated 3+1 architecture, advanced Bluetooth processor, powerful audio DSP, ultra-low power consumption application processor, and the independent power management unit are all embedded in this tiny 4.3mm by 4.4mm chip. By having all the technology above, let's see what kind of battery life. For 46mm series, battery can last 2 weeks. And for 42mm series, battery can last 1 week. The innovative battery technology of Huawei Watch GT demonstrates Huawei's commitment to provide consumers with continuous proactive sport and health management through wearables. Constant monitoring and scientific exercises can help consumers better manage their health and provide consumers with a more comprehensive, real-time and convenient active lifestyle experience. Consistent exercises guided by scientific methodology can lead to a healthy life. Do you want to know more about it? Let's go outdoors. For indoors, we have treadmill, walking, cycling, pool swimming, elliptical, rowing machine, and others for free training. Huawei Watch GT2 introducing elliptical and rowing machine for more indoor workout options. For outdoors, we have running, walking, trail run, climbing, cycling, open water swimming, and triathlon, all together, 15 smart workout modes. Let's take a look what we will have in running courses. You have basic run, walk, run training for almost everyone, followed by easy run, fat burning run for mainly starter of outdoor running, and LSD, tempo, and heat run, mainly for advanced runner. You will find the level of difficulty from the left. Let's try heat run. Multiple professional training courses from entry to advanced level are pre-installed in this watch, providing user with professional and effective guidance. The watch also offers real-time monitoring during your training and to reduce the chance of injury. With swimming result recording and heart rate monitoring in real time, you can improve your swimming skill with Watch GT2. Please remember to switch to your sport strap before you swim. Designed to help you stick to training plan, enjoying regular exercises, this watch will also bring you amazing smart experience with or without your smartphone. With the function of Bluetooth calling, you could simply answer the phone call right from the wrist, up to 150 meters from your phone. Besides all the above functions, we also have some daily convenience application for your watch. As long as music is important for outdoor running, we include music play function for Watch GT2, which holds up to 500 MP3s on the watch storage.